Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video today I'll be making a cone fascinator design using my Aso-oke. So for this tutorial I'll be using my measuring tape, my glue machine, my feathers, scissors, my Alice band, my pencil for measurement. So to measure out a square shape for my Aso-oke. First of all, I'm measuring out the width. The width of this Aso-oke is 7 inches. Some are 6.5, while some are 7 inches. I'll measure out another 7 inches to make it a square shape. Now this is supposed to be my line, okay, but I will need to fold the other parts. When I cut out this part, I'll need to fold in the rough edges. Okay, so what I need to do is to add extra half inches. So I'll be cutting out this part about 7.5 inches into 8 to 9 places. Okay, I was able to cut out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces of my Aso-oke. Remember, what I have there is 7 by 8. Okay, I will fold half inches this way and fold half inches the other way. Okay, so that these rough edges will not show. So I will do that in all of them now this way. So I measure out half inches, then fold it. You have to be very careful to avoid gum stain everywhere. So I'll go ahead and do this for all the remaining 7. After folding them in, okay, to cover the rough edges, so the next thing you need to do now is to get one piece. You fold this way. You fold this way. Make sure they are edge to edge. Okay, so you need to be very careful at this point so you won't make a mistake. So what you need to do is to get your hot glue and glue one part, just one part this way. From this point, I want you to keep watching and keep learning. Okay, I don't want to talk much. I want you to keep your eye closed and see how I'll form the cone from this point. If you're getting value from this video, do ensure to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're yet to do so, because there are more beautiful videos that you'll be getting from this channel. Also share and turn on the bell notification in case you haven't done so that you'll be the first to be notified as soon as I upload other amazing videos. So watch, and don't forget to drop your comments on the comment section. If there are other videos you want me to talk about or to make videos on, please kindly drop them on the comment section. I'm done making my cone. These are 8 pieces of cone design that I have made here. So if I like, I fold the mouth just the way you are seeing it to give it this special look. It's optional anyway. The next thing I'm working on is my Alice band. So I measure out my Alice band. The length of my Alice band is 14.5 inches. Okay, so I transfer that same length to my Mako. I measure out 15.5 inches. Okay, so 40, I measure out 15.5 inches and I mark it out. So I also measure out the breadth of my Alice band, which is 1 inch, and I added half, which is 1.5 inches, and I measure it down. So keep watching and keep learning. So what I have here is 15.5 by 1.5 inches. Okay, so what I did here was that I used the pieces of Aso-oke I have. I wouldn't want to trash them or waste them, so what I did was I used the piece of Aso-oke to wrap up this Mako. So keep watching. So keep watching and keep learning. Please do ensure you subscribe in case you haven't done so. Subscribe, share, like. Also turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first people that will be notified as soon as I upload new video. Okay, so just keep watching, watch and learn. Okay, and I also want you to make yours and drop in the comment section. I would like to hear your opinion about this particular video. Okay, all I just did there was I just tried to use the remaining Aso-oke to wrap up the Mako. I wouldn't want to waste the pieces. Okay, so it's also useful. So while doing this, I was not really bothered about the middle part of this Mako. Okay, this actual part that you are seeing facing up, I wasn't really bothered about it because I know I was going to use my Alice band to cover it up. Okay, just keep watching. I just placed and I used my hot glue and I make sure that the rough edges are covered properly so that to avoid the rough edges showing. Just keep watching and watching. This is my Mako after being wrapped with my Aso-oke. So what I did next was I applied my hot glue on the Mako and I gently placed my Alice band on it so I can wrap around my Alice band. Remember, I used the other surface that is not so smooth. I was not bothered about. I used that surface. That's where I placed my Alice band. Okay, so this is the Alice band. I ensure I apply the gum edge to edge to make sure they stick properly to the Alice band. So what I did next was that I arranged my corn flower on my Alice band. Then I began to apply one by one. Okay, I apply one by one until I got my desired design, and I keep adding until I finish up. So keep watching and keep learning. if you have watched this video to this point, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on your bell notification so that you get more valuable content. Also share to your friends and family. I will really appreciate that. Thank you so much. From this point, I'm done fixing my cone on my Alice bands, just as you can see from the video. Okay, so what I'll do now is start embellishing. Okay, you can use your feathers to embellish, you can use your trim, you can use any design of your choice. Just make sure you give your headband a unique look. So in this case, I got this particular material from tailoring shop, and I decided to split them into different. I decided to open them up and apply one after the other on the cone design. Okay, as you can see, I removed the one and I placed it on the cone design. Okay, this is just what I thought I could do at this moment. So you could use anything of your choice to make your fascinator, your band look beautiful. As you can see, this is very beautiful. I am done with it. So this is the material I was saying I bought from tailoring shop. So what I do was I use my scissors to cut them out one after the other, and I use my hot glue to apply on the Alice band. Okay, so this is the end of this work. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video.